Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Binance has launched its 67th Launchpool project named WalletConnect WCT, and it has finally gone live. If you have BNB, you can stake it to claim a decent amount of tokens. So in this video, we'll cover the steps to participate and the rewards Binance is offering. The video is packed with useful info, so make sure to watch till the end. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Alright guys, here as you can see, to join in you need to have BNB, FDUSD or USDC. If you hold any of these three, you are eligible to participate in the WCT airdrop. The farming period kicks off on April 11th and will run for 4 days. Binance has shared all the details, and when it comes to listing, WCT will list it on April 15th at around 11 PM UTC. Let's talk about tokenomics. The total supply of WCT is 1 billion, with the maximum supply also capped at 1 billion. For the launch pool, they have allocated 4%, which is equal 40 million tokens. They have also set aside separate tokens for the Learn and Earn campaign. At the time of listing, the initial circulating supply will be 18.6% or about 186 million tokens. And WCT will be on the OP mainnet, so keep that in mind. Now as you can see, you will have to stake BNB, FDUSD or USDC. I recommend using BNB for the best rewards. So let's move on how you can participate in this airdrop. Keep in mind the minimum deposit to the joint WCT airdrop is just 0.01 BNB. So you must have 0.01 BNB in your wallet. Here's what you need to do. First, click more. Find the launch pool section and hit participate. Now as you can see, you will have to stake BNB, FDUSD or USDC. I recommend using BNB for the best rewards. So here I'll select max and click confirm. And you are in. As you can see, I have successfully joined the launch pool. You can stake more if you want, and the best part, if you change your mind, you can unlock and redeem your tokens anytime. So that's it for this video. If you want more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.